Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and I promise I've been trying so hard to get outside and do some videos for you guys, but the Indiana weather just is not cooperating. So here I am inside of our factory. We're going to talk about a home called the Summitville. Now, if you go to our website, www.factorydirectmobilehomes.com, you're going to see on our clearance page, we have a home called the St. Clair. Well, this is the baby brother or baby sister to the St. Clair. This is called a Summitville, 28 by 42 double wide. And this customer has opted to add the optional porch. Now, when we do an optional porch, it's going to be a full length porch and it's going to be part of the framing. So if you look underneath the porch here, you see that that is actually part of the steel frame of the home. So that's a good reason to have us do the porch, and also it's covered as well. So this would be the front of the home if it's facing the lake. But this customer has also added a dormer over the front door side, making it, this could be the front of the home. So lots of options there that you could do. But when we go into the home, let's step first into the kitchen. Now, I was over here earlier doing a factory tour. By the way, if you want to come see the factory and see all the cool things that we do, give me a call. I'll put you and your family in a very nice hotel room and bring you over here and show you step by step how the homes are made. So I'm standing on the pressure treated front deck, and this customer has added some can lights into the porch, as well as a wire brace switch so that they could do a ceiling fan or some type of lighting later on down the road. And they've also added an electrical switch, and I think that's a great idea as well. They've added, well, you always get one exterior light with any exterior door that you add. You could also add another one right here, but I'm sure they were thinking, since they've got the can lights, that that wouldn't be necessary. So coming into the kitchen through a patio door, this is the cutest little kitchen I've ever seen. Beautiful. Here's a new floor color for you guys. We call this floor Serenity, and it's mostly white, but it does have some brown streaks in it, or even some dark gray streaks in it, and it's a beautiful, beautiful color. White on the cabinets, glacier quartzite on the countertops. That looks like river rock. Very beautiful. And I have not seen this combination before, and I was always wondering where you would use this inhale grease. Not the food, the backsplash. That's the name of this backsplash, and they paired it with the glacier quartzite, and I think it looks very beautiful. On a larger wall, it almost looks like a solar system, so it's just nice to see that combination today. We've got stainless steel on the appliances, cabinets to the ceiling, a farm sink over here, drawers over doors, oh yeah, baby, and a valance board over the sink. That tells me, ding, 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 we've got a drywall package. Great job, customer. Loving the farm sink. You can get the farm sink with or without the accessories. Highly recommend the accessories. Also part of the drywall package, the 3-panel doors. So we've got 1, 2, 3. That's what that means. Coming into a walk-in corner pantry. Plenty of space there. By the way, guys, I've got some new homes on my lot. Please come visit me. I've got some more new ones coming too. I really, really, really have been focusing on how beautiful the model home village can be. So there you go. We've got the Summitville kitchen. Now let's go roam around and see what else we can find in this home. We haven't gotten very far so far. So let's go to the other side and take a look at the living area. I know it's kind of tough to visualize as I'm going in between these sections, and I just thank you so much for sticking with me over these years and growing with me and hanging out while I figure this out too. So they've added a 16 or 20 foot dormer. It's hard to measure from down here, but looks like maybe a 20. A large dormer over the door. What's the purpose of a dormer? Well, it looks nice, for one, and two, if you ever want to do a covered porch, you've got the shape of it. This is the 2-bedroom version of the home, and when you do the 2-bedroom version, you're going to have a very large living room, and then we're always going to put all the supplies to install the home right in the living room. So across the hallway, we're going to have a utility room, An entrance to the kitchen down there. And then a bathroom as well. Here's bath number 2. We're shipping the mirrors separately now, by the way. They are trimmed out and we don't want them to fall off, so we're gonna ship them loose. Something we've never done in the past. Also part of the drywall package, 019 over the commode linen, and you choose where it goes. And it's just gonna give you some extra storage in here to be able to store some towels. Here is the second bedroom. Looks like they've done a linoleum throughout, huh? Very popular feature, especially if you have puppies and you don't want to have them messing on your carpet or getting your carpet dirty. Lino throughout is the way to go. So there you go with the living room half. Now let's go and find the master bedroom or the primary bedroom. All right, here's just a sneak peek at how large this factory is. We actually have 55 acres of manufacturing space with 3 different factories on the premises. So I promise your visit will be worth the drive. All right, coming over here, we're back to the kitchen side, and this is where we're gonna see a linen closet. I peeked in here earlier and I was expecting to put my head into that closet, and boom, there she goes. Hits her head right in on the wires. Primary bedroom. Walk-in closet. Remember, you also have the option to double up your racks at 116 per wall. Here is primary bath. Commode. Ooh, another 019. Double sinks. And then they've added a nice 36 by 60 walk-in real tiled shower with the barn door hardware up there. Oh, this is a bummer. I just realized I don't have any mirrors to peek my head in and say hello to you guys. There goes my trademark, huh? I'm gonna have to figure something else out. Hey, what a weirdo. All right. Well, I'm glad to be able to get out here and get a video to you guys. As soon as the weather breaks, you'll be sick of me. Here we go. 28 by 42 Summitville. Don't forget the website, www.factorydirectmobilehomes.com. And as always, thanks for watching.